5 must-know endangered species for wildlife lovers. Wildlife conservation is more critical than ever as human activity, climate change, and habitat destruction push countless species toward extinction. For wildlife lovers, understanding and advocating for endangered species is vital in ensuring their survival. Here are 5 must-know endangered species that need our attention and protection. 1. Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, status. Critically endangered. The Amur leopard, native to the Russian Far East and parts of China, is one of the rarest big cats on Earth. With fewer than 100 individuals left in the wild, this magnificent feline is teetering on the brink of extinction. Its thick fur, designed to withstand harsh winters, has unfortunately made it a target for poachers. Additionally, habitat destruction due to logging and human encroachment has significantly reduced its range. Conservation efforts. 1. Anti-poaching patrols have been intensified. 2. Breeding programs in captivity aim to reintroduce individuals into the wild. 3. Protected areas, such as the land of the Leopard National Park in Russia, have been established. How you can help. 1. Support conservation organizations such as WWF and the Amur Leopard and Tiger Alliance. 2. Avoid purchasing products that contribute to deforestation in their habitat. 3. Spread awareness about the plight of these elusive cats. 2. Vaquita, Phocina sinus, status. Critically endangered. The vaquita, a small porpoise endemic to the northern part of the Gulf of California, is the world's most endangered marine mammal. With fewer than 20 individuals remaining, its survival is hanging by a thread. The primary threat to the vaquita is entanglement in illegal fishing nets used to catch totoaba fish, whose swim bladders are highly valued in black markets. Conservation efforts. 1. Bans on gill nets have been implemented, though enforcement remains a challenge. 2. Conservationists and governments are working to remove illegal fishing activities from their habitat. 3. Captive breeding efforts have been explored but remain difficult due to the species' sensitivity to captivity. How you can help. 1. Support organizations working to end illegal fishing, such as the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society. 2. Avoid purchasing seafood from unsustainable sources. 3. Advocate for stronger marine conservation laws. 3. Javan rhino, Rhinoceros sondaicus, status. Critically endangered. The Javan rhino, one of the rarest large mammals, is confined to a single population in Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia. Fewer than 80 individuals remain, making them one of the most endangered rhino species in the world. Poaching and habitat loss have drastically reduced their numbers. Conservation efforts. 1. The Indonesian government has strengthened protection within Ujung Kulon National Park. 2. Efforts are being made to expand their habitat and encourage population growth. 3. Strict anti-poaching laws and monitoring programs have been implemented. How you can help. 1. Donate to organizations like the International Rhino Foundation. 2. Support policies that protect tropical rainforests. 3. Raise awareness about the threats to rhinos and their importance to ecosystems. 4. Pangolin, Phalidota spp. Status. Critically endangered. Several species, pangolins, often referred to as scaly anteaters, are the most trafficked mammals in the world. Found in Asia and Africa, they are relentlessly hunted for their scales, which are used in traditional medicine, and for their meat, considered a delicacy in some cultures. Habitat destruction further threatens their survival. Conservation efforts. 1. Many countries have banned the trade of pangolins and their parts. 2. Anti-poaching initiatives and rescue efforts are underway. 3. Awareness campaigns aim to reduce demand for pangolin products. How you can help. 1. Avoid purchasing products made from pangolin scales. 2. Support organizations like the Pangolin Conservation Fund. 3. Educate others about the illegal wildlife trade and its consequences. 5. Kakapo, Strigops habroptilus, status. Critically endangered. The kakapo, a flightless, nocturnal parrot from New Zealand, is one of the most unique and endangered birds in the world. Habitat destruction and the introduction of predators such as cats and rats have decimated their population. With intensive conservation efforts, their numbers have slowly increased to over 250 individuals, but they remain at high risk. Conservation efforts. 1. The Kakapo Recovery Program monitors and protects every individual. 2. Predator-free island sanctuaries have been established to provide safe breeding grounds. 3. Genetic diversity and artificial insemination programs are being explored to enhance reproduction. How you can help. 1. Donate to the Kakapo Recovery Program. 2. Follow conservation efforts and spread awareness about these remarkable birds. 3. Support New Zealand's conservation policies that protect native wildlife. Conclusion: the survival of these 5 species depends on human action and awareness. While conservation efforts have made progress, much more needs to be done. Wildlife lovers play a crucial role in advocating for these animals by supporting conservation programs, spreading awareness, and making environmentally conscious choices. Every effort counts in the fight to protect Earth's incredible biodiversity.